It's really difficult to mush this bread down to use it. Got some oogie. Huh, barely hooked. Mosquitoes are attacking me. Oh, they took the bait. Man got off. They're so tiny that they're getting hooked, like by the tip of their lip, and they're getting off really easily. Oh, nice. Look at this guy. Nice. Let me set him free. It's like crumbly, very crumbly, so it doesn't stay on the hook for a while. So I have to catch the fish. I have to set the hook gently, or else the bread is gonna fall off. And also, if I don't set the hook fast enough, the fish will just take the bread. Oh, there's something on it, isn't it? I think it's just dragging it. I think it's just dragging it. See, it's not on. They have small mouths, so they suck the bread and then they drag it, but it's not completely in their mouth, so I can't hook them up. Oh, something good. Something good. Oh, nah, didn't get him. That's bad. That's unbelievable. He should bite right now, ASAP. Got him. Very tiny. Look, extra tiny. And again, by a tiny bit of his lip. All right, stop. Teeny. All right, last piece of bread, guys, and I'm packing it up. Hold on. Ooh, a better one. Ooh, what is this? I think I just hooked him a little different. That's why it feels more hefty. Oh, sorry, little fish. Sorry, little guy. Oh, this guy's bigger. This guy's a big one. Look at this beautiful fish, guys. Bobber works. Circle hook works. That's a success.